So welcome students. In this question you're given that f of x is tan x by x if x is not equal to 0, 1 if x is equal to 0. The function f of x is given. And the first statement is x is equal to 0 is a point of minima of f of x. The statement 2 is f dash of 0 equal to 0. So first let us analyze the second statement. Let us see whether f dash of 0 is equal to 0. So we know that because this is a piecewise defined function, let us use the first principle to calculate f dash of 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 by h. So this is my value of f dash of 0, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, that is h is not equal to 0, so f of h can be written as tan h by h minus f of 0 is 1 by h. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 tan h minus h by h square. Tan h minus h by h square. So that is equal to, so limit h tends to 0. So if you write the expansion of tan h, so the expansion of tan h is h plus h cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 h power 5 plus so on minus h by h square. So h and h gets cancelled. So now we can see that h cube comes common, that is limit h tends to 0, h cube times 1 by 3 plus 2 by 15 h square plus so on by h square. So this h square gets cancelled, so you have h. So as h tends to 0, h times this. So this is a constant. So this tends to 1 by 3, all this tends to 0. So this tends to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So f dash of 0 equal to 0 is right. This is statement 2 is right. Now let us see whether x is equal to 0 is a point of minima for f of x. So obviously x is equal to 0 is a point of minima because we know that tan x by x is always greater than 1. Tan x by x is always greater than 1 in the neighborhood of 0. So and tan f of 0 is equal to 0, and in the neighborhood of zeros the function is greater than 1. That means x is equal to 0 is a point of minima for f of x. This is also right. So the first statement and the second statement both are right, but obviously statement 2 does not explain statement 1. Just because f dash is equal to 0, x equal to 0 will not be a minima. It can also be a maximum or an inflection point. So here both statements are true and statement 2 is not an explanation for statement 1. Thank you.